can't even, like, what am I supposed to do with that?
Foundation.
Yeah.
I feel like it's messing my makeup.
I miss my powder puff. I miss my brushes. I miss my beauty blender. I miss everything.
Today we are going to do an amazing challenge.
We have to do makeup with rocks and sticks. I definitely never tried this.
Listen, everything is possible, so
Yeah,
let's just do it.
It's kind of relaxing.
Exactly. I'm trying to moisturize my skin first.
It's fun.
I like my eyebrows right now.
She already has beautiful eyebrows and she's telling me like,
thank you.
Oh my god, I love my eyebrows. I mean, duh.
You have an oily skin?
Yeah, it's like combination, oily, depends on the season, depends on my mood, girl. So what you're going to do right now?
Listen, I am going to apply my foundation, but I'm gonna change the rock.
I'm gonna apply my powder. Girl, it's not even picking it up. Like, this is crazy. I can't even, like, what am I supposed to do with that?
Foundation.
Yeah.
I feel like it's messing my makeup.
I miss my powder puff. I miss my brushes. I miss my beauty blender. I miss everything. I'm thinking about the bronzer, like it's like a compact powder. So how am I going to dip in it?
I personally not gonna put bronzer.
I'm definitely doing bronzer. I'm not leaving the house without a bronzer.
Are you putting the rock on your makeup?
I am picking up the makeup with the rock. I mean, what else do you want me to do with the stick? I don't have anything else.
You know that the more you tap with the rock on your face, the more your makeup looks good.
I'm gonna have to ruin my palette for this one. I'm sorry, girl. The way you're competitive.
I know that I'm gonna win.
She is a Taurus, guys.
At least we're prepared for the end of the world.
Even if like everyone is dead.
We're still looking good.
Exactly, I'm still a baddie. I know I can get all the boys even though they're not here anymore. A dot here. Oh my god, this is not the way I wanted it to look.
No, it's looking good.
Girl, it's not. She just want to win.
As long as you're confident with the makeup you're wearing, then everybody gonna think like, oh my god, she has such a good makeup. All about the attitude.
It's editorial,
exactly.
It's original, it's extravagant. Like, you don't get it. Like, wait 20 years. This will be the trend.
This challenge is getting harder.
Yeah, it's like way harder than I thought.
You're making a very complicated makeup right now.
I hope you guys will give me some points for, you know, trying.
It's not cute. Right now it's not cute. I'm telling you it's not cute.
You have to believe it, you know?
No, I'm not believing it. Like, that's it for me.
I switched like the rocks and the sticks like 500 times. Like, I'm using a whole tree right now.
I'm trying to put some glitter to make it look cute.
Oh my god, yeah.
This is just horrible right now.
Do you like flowers actually?
I love flowers.
You know, I hate flowers. Like, if a guy gives me...
Are you for real? Give me some money.
Yeah! Buy me some makeup.
No, for real?
Some brushes. It would be really helpful right now. Like, I can't imagine my life without lash.
Same. With a mascara, apply it with a stick, a tiny stick, and you just go like this, look.
Okay, come through a tutorial. Oh my god, that's like such a good hack. But yeah, I think I'm done.
Okay guys, I'm done too. High five.
High five, of course. I never expected this result.
First, my idea was to like, you know, make a full face full of colors.
Yeah.
You know, to represent like different flowers. And I feel like it's romantic. For
Painting.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Next month. What you guys think about our makeup?
Yeah, let us know what you think about our makeup. And who won. Like, get into the makeup, get into the pink, the blush. Honey.
Definitely giving like drama and romantic.
Yeah, it's like best of both worlds.
The mix of two is bomb.
Thank you guys for sticking with us.
Let us know if we rock.
And thank you for watching.